All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, this is a YouTube channel that we are. Please, if this you are coming for to this YouTube channel for the very first time, we are BRAINYBITE tutorial. You are welcome. So in this YouTube channel, what we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns jamb, admission, WAEC, and NECO. All right, so everything that has to do with your admission. So if you have any problem, we'll solve all the problem here for you, and we'll also give you updates concerning all of your schools. So it is important, if you're a jamb candidate, for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, comment if you have anything for us to do for you. Let us know in the comment section. All right, so subscribe, turn on bell notification, because we are updating, or we are uploading videos on YouTube almost on daily basis. All right, so that once we upload any information that you need, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. So as long as you're a member of this channel, you're not going to miss out with anything that has to do with your school information. Don't forget that information is power. All right, so you need information, more especially if this is your first time of writing jamb and you don't want to write it again. So some ignorance might hinder your admission. All right, so it is important for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notification. Okay, so let me get right to the video. So if you check out today's topic, you see that I'm going to talk about best universities in Nigeria to study professional courses like medicine, law, pharmacy, etc. All right, so that's basically what I'm going to talk about. All right, so but this video, I'll be splitting this video into two, because today I will basically have to talk about law only schools, and I'll do medicine, pharmacy another day, because I don't want this video to be too long. So before I continue to the video, let me tell you guys something. All right, so we have a WhatsApp channel. Okay, so we have a WhatsApp group for all our 2024 UTME registered UTME candidates. All right, so there in our WhatsApp group, we have we give free answers for WAEC, we give free answers to NECO, we give updated schools post-UTME past question just for free, and a lot of other things right there in our WhatsApp. Okay, and if you have a very low jamb score in just concluded jamb UTME examination and you don't want to sit for jamb again, all right, so we'll be of help to you. I will help you. You will succeed and you will get admission to your higher institution. Right, so if it doesn't matter how many years you have been written jamb, we'll definitely have to help you, and you succeed this time. So if you want to join our WhatsApp group, just let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp group. So at the end of the day, I will give you my WhatsApp number, so you can message me on our WhatsApp. All right, so when you message me on WhatsApp after getting to know you, I will definitely have to add you to our WhatsApp group. All right, so that's it. Okay, so very last one. So by next year, if you know that you want to be admitted, or you believe that you are going to be admitted in this 2024 UTME the admission processes, okay, so we have a good news for you. Next year January, we are going to launch our platform next year. So that our platform is basically for all our registered admitted candidates. All right, so there in our platform, the reason why we are going to launch our platform is to help you guys financially, because we know that once you get admission to higher institution, all right, so it is not all the money your parents will give to you that will be enough. All right, so you will need a kind of some side by side hustle that will help you in school, so that you can be able to finance your academics. All right, so that's the reason why we are going to publish or launch our platform. All right, so that we can, from there, you can help yourself and raise some funds that will help you to finance your school. All right, so if that interests you, let me know in the comments that you want to join us. All right, so yeah, that's it. So this is where I will let's continue. Let's go right to the video. Okay, so well, it is true that the question is best university in Nigeria to study professional courses like medicine, law, pharmacy. They have come to ask me, so I'm here to answer it today. Well, it is true that a good number of universities offer many of the professional courses, like medicine, pharmacy, law, etc. However, our observations have shown that just a few of these universities are exceptionally good in offering these courses. Yeah, they are exceptionally good in offering this course, and I'm going to list it. So it is advised for you to stay from the beginning of this video to the very last side of the video, so that you're not going to miss out with anyone. Okay, so based on antecedents, some universities are proven to be good in the area of medicine as a course, while others are proven to be good in law programs. So in this video, we'll be listing some professional courses and universities that are good in those areas. Okay, in this case, we will go with law today. Yeah, I told you guys in the beginning that basically I'm going to go with law because I don't want this video to be too long. Right, so I don't want it to be too long, so that I'm going to go with law today. So next day I will talk about medicine. The other day I'll talk about pharmacy and education and veterinary, and and a whole lot of them. All right, so I'm going to break it down, split it into part by part. All right, so this is the very first part of the video, and some parts are coming. All right, so if your course is not in this part, so we definitely have to hold on for the next part, or if you subscribe and check if I have uploaded the next part and you watch the next part. Okay, or let me still remind you, please know that this does not mean that the few universities listed here are the only good universities, so please don't misunderstand me. All right, please don't misunderstand me. So they are not it is not as if these universities are the only good universities where you can study the courses mentioned. It's not like that. Of course, there are other good universities offering these courses, but based on personal observation, all right, there are some universities that stand out in terms of providing good course content and the quality of their graduates in those areas. All right, so that's basically what I'm going to tell you today. So we are starting with law. So the very first university there in law that always do exceptionally well in law program, the first one on our list is Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma. All right, so you get your pen and paper. So but if you don't have pen and paper, you can definitely have to save the video so that you come back, or you have to come back to watch out for the video, right? So that you can be able, if you are going for law, you can be able to know schools. That does not mean that other schools are there, they don't do well. They do well also, but I'm just sharing this information based on our personal observation. All right, so the first one on our list is Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma, AAU. Okay, so many of us know the university, but if you don't know the university and you want to go to the university, basically you can do your research, all right, and know more of the university. All right, so you go use your Google search engine and know more about the university. So the next one on our list is River State University, ROSU. All right, so River State University, Port Harcourt. All right, so they always do well, and when it comes to law programs. All right, so that's why. That does not mean that other schools are not doing well. Oh. Please, you guys should understand me. All right, so so that does not mean that other schools are not doing well. So if you have any other suggestion you want to add, or you have any schools you also want to help me to include on the list, all right, so you let me know in the comment section, because from this is basically from our own end. So if you have the schools that that does well in these areas, please don't forget to let us know in the comment section, all right, so that we can so we will also learn from there. All right, so the third one on our list is University of Benin. All right, Uniben. You, of course, so many of you know Uniben. So that's the third one on our list. All right, so the fourth one on our list, because I'm rushing, I don't want to waste much of our time. The fourth one on our list is OAU, which is known for Obafemi Awolowo University. All right, it is OAU. Okay, that's the short form. That's the fourth one on our list. And the fifth one on our list is Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, ABU. Of course, so many of you know that. So the sixth on our list is University of Nigeria and Soccer, Almighty UNN. All right, so they are doing well when it comes to law. Okay, so the seventh one is University of Lagos State, okay, Unilag. You know that, of course. So the eighth one is University of Ibadan. All right, so the ninth one on our list, which is I believe I believe that's why I will stop this video, which is the very last one. The next one on our list is Afe Babalola University, Edo Ekiti. Alright, so please, if you have any further university you want to add, please don't hesitate to add it up. Alright, so I'll be right there to also learn from you. Alright, so until I see you again in my next video, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, till I see you again in my next video. Okay, I love you, keep winning.